Have you ever clicked on a post on X only to see a message saying the contact is age restricted? Don't worry, here's how to verify your age step by step. First, open the X app and tap on your profile picture. Next, go to Setting and Privacy. Then, tap your account and select Account Information. Scroll down and find Date of Birth. Make sure your real birth date is entered correctly. If it is missing or incorrect, update it and save the change. If X still require age verification, follow the prompt on your screen and upload a valid government issue ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. After submitting your information, wait for X to review your request. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days. Once approved, you'll be able to access age-restricted content and features on X. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tips and social media guide.